Morning student. Our today's topic is exponents. We have already learned about the exponents in our earlier classes. So let us recall. Here we are having one number that is a raised to n. This is the exponential form of the number. In this number, a is a base of the number and n is a power or exponent of the number. Okay, so related with this, we are having one question. Our question is write the numbers in exponential form. First number is 81. So find the factor of 81 first. 81, 1 is a unit digit. That's why this number is not divisible by 2. So try to divide it by 3. And it is divisible by 3. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So 3 3s are 9. For that this number is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 pending. 21. 3 7s are 21. Now again 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 3 3s are 9 means this number is divisible by 3 again. So divided by 3. 3 9s are 27. Again 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. Now 3 1s are 3. So this is the factor of 3. Okay. Now 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 means 81 because this is the factor of 81. So in exponential form you can write 3 raised to 4. 3 is the base because 3 numbers is coming 4 times. 3 numbers is coming how many times? 4. So for that the index or exponent or power is 4. This is the exponential form of 81. Our next number is 64 upon 125. Factor of 64 is 4 into 4 4 the 16, 16 4 the 64. And factor of 125 is 5 into 5 into 5 because 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 means 4 3 times and as a denominator 5 3 times. Their index is same, so you can write like this 4 upon 5, keep them in one bracket, raised to 3. So we have already learned the law of exponents also in class 7. So the first property of law of exponent is a raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. With this I am taking one example also. So if we are having the number 2 raised to minus 4, so the answer will be 1 upon 2 raised to 4. Previously when the 2 raised to 4 was a numerator, that time the 4 was having a minus sign. When we are using this property and we are taking 2 raised to 4 as a denominator, so by this property this minus 4 will become a plus 4. Okay. Second property is a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Base same, index different, having multiplication sign, then the answer will be write the base commonly one time and add the index m plus n. So I am taking one more example, a into 2 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 3. Now again the base is same, like this property, index is different 4 and 3. So by using this law of exponents we can write base one time and add the index. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. If you want to find out the value, then multiply to 7 times. Okay. Next law of exponents is a raised to m divided by a raised to n. Then the answer will be a raised to m minus n. Common base, different index, having division sign. So that time write the base commonly one time and subtract the index. So the next example is 2 raised to 4. I am taking same number, and 2 raised to 3. So by using this law of exponents, we can write base commonly one time and subtract their index. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 2 raised to 1 means 2 one time. Next law of exponents is a raised to m in a bracket raised to n. So it is equal to a raised to m into n. Base, single base, having two index, one inside the bracket, one outside the bracket. So that time we can multiply the index. 2 raised to 4 in a bracket and 3 outside the bracket. So by using this law of exponents, write the base one time and multiply the index. 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12.
Next law is a raised to m into b raised to m. Means different base and common in same index. So write base in one bracket. No need to put any sign, means multiplication, and index commonly one time. Okay. So the example is 5 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4 is equal to different base, multiply them. Common index, take commonly. 5 3s are 15 raised to 4. 15 raised to 4, if you want to find out the value, write 15 4 times. Multiply 15 4 times, you will get the answer. Next law is a raised to m upon b raised to m. Again, the base is different and index is same, having division sign. So write the index. A upon b means a divided by b and index commonly. Write the base a upon b, keep them in one bracket and take the index commonly. Example is again the same example, 5 raised to 4 upon 3 raised to 4. Take 5 upon 3 in one bracket, write the index commonly one time. 5 is not divisible by 3, you can keep like this only, and raised to 4 means 5 upon 3, you can multiply 4 times. Next law is a raised to 0 is equal to 1. The example is a raised to 0 equal to 1 means any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. If I am taking 2 raised to 0, then also the answer is 1. If I am taking minus 2 raised to 0, then the answer is 1. If I am taking 1000 m raised to 0, then again the answer is 1. Any number raised to 0 is equal to 1.